Just ask, what's this? Which is Poppy? Good morning. Thank you, Jessie. My full name? Why you ask my name? There's somebody calling me even though I go live. You know, guys, I don't answer calls when I go live because, I finish my live about 30 minutes or about almost 1 hour. God, my son is sleeping already. Knock, knock. Good night. Masakit na dito ko. Sobrang sakit. Yeah. Mm. Hello, Amit. Hello, Jane Mark Lapierre. Show this red. Hello. Hello to Anso, Dorexy. Hello, Risky Bogan. Into onto my 157 views. Please comment down, guys, if you have questions about me as a single mom. I'm looking 26. No, I'm not 26. I'm 42. Taga saan ka po? Taga Mindanao, Bisaya po ko. Bisaya. Laking Dapitanon po. I was born in Philippines in Dapitan City in Mindanao. And I am a single mom with my son. Hello everybody, but you're looking so young. It depends upon how I wear clothes maybe. Sometimes my viewers said I am 46, some are 50 plus, 50 plus. Yeah, yeah, I'm a single mother. I'm 42. 42 years old. Working color. What's working color? Hey, can you make it in English? I don't understand other languages. Thank you for loving my videos, the one who called me. Hi to my 112 view. Hello, awesome. Hi, awesome. Hello, everybody. Hindi halata sa inyo. Halata nga eh. Sa tingin mo, ilang taon ako? Eh, ako. Hi, mommy. Miss you. Philippines. What's breast? Breast of the chicken breast. Hi to my one. Mga 35 lang. Most of my viewers said I am in 35. Yes, you're right. Maraming nagsasabi na ganyan ang age ko kasi wala na kasi dati ang nagsabi na wala pa talaga ako mag 50 kasi stress na stress ako sa partner ko dati. Ano ba yan? May post day post. Uy, i-hide na talaga kita. Kung makatingin ka, huwag ka na lang magsabi. Yeah, my sense